Every second, your heart works tirelessly to keep you alive. But what happens when its own blood supply is suddenly cut off? The heart needs a constant supply of oxygen-rich blood. This is delivered through its coronary arteries to keep every heartbeat strong. Over many years, fatty cholesterol deposits called plaque can slowly build up inside the coronary arteries, reducing blood flow. If the plaque suddenly ruptures, the body treats it like an injury, rapidly forming a blood clot.
When the artery becomes completely blocked, oxygen can no longer reach part of the heart muscle.
Within minutes, heart muscle cells begin to suffer irreversible damage. The longer the blockage remains, the more heart tissue is lost. Common warning signs include chest pressure or pain spreading to the arm or jaw, shortness of breath, nausea, and cold sweating. Doctors can often restore blood flow by opening the blocked artery with a balloon and placing a tiny stent to keep it open. The sooner blood flow is restored, the more heart muscle can be saved, improving recovery and long-term heart function. A heart attack begins with blocked blood flow, but healthy lifestyle choices, regular medical care, and recognizing the warning signs can help protect your heart. Every minute matters.
Understanding your body is the first step to true health. Subscribe to Talk with Nurse Susan on all social media platforms for world-class, trusted health education.